Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Maisha Aulia Habsari with last student number 060 and I am from TBI from class TBI 5B. Okay, so today I would like to present our uh, my critical paper about the effectiveness of crossword puzzle games in enhancing vocabulary mastery in language learning. So my paper is about crossword puzzle. So langsung saja, we're going to the first material. Wait, okay. So, in introduction, I will going to explain to introduction. So, crossword puzzle are effective word game for vocabulary development, and according to Dan 2008, they help recall definition and synonyms, and easy to create, engaging, and adaptable to various educational levels. And the last is enhanced contextual understanding and promote collaborative learning. So I will explain more about this. So crossword puzzle are essential word games, and the goal is to fill in the blank box with the correct answer based on clues, which are usually grouped for horizontal or vertical words. And in the world of education, games like this are often used because they are excellent for enriching and strengthening student vocabulary. And this is a very effective and enjoyable way to learn and strengthen vocabulary. And amazingly, crossword puzzles are easy to create, attract attention, and can be adapted to any level of grade. So, crossword puzzles are very, very useful in language education. Yeah, not only do they refresh the mind, but they also an effective way to build semantic connection in student brains. When crosswords puzzle are integrated into the classroom, yeah, they can aid like contextual understanding and encourage collaborative learning. Yeah, like that. And then we are going to the results of summary. So there are three key studies I reviewed. The first is from Rahayu and Sri Rahayu, conduct a study in 2024 with 23 junior high school students. They found a significant improvement in vocabulary scores, and a student report enjoying the game. And the second, from Wahyudi and Kusumawardhani, applied word search puzzle to 20 students, and so like a similar result, students were more engaged and vocabulary scores increased. And lastly is from Anita and Mutia. Anita and Mutia use qualitative method with 20, no, I'm sorry, 30 students. They observe increased motivation, confidence, and classroom participation. And the game transformed the learning atmosphere into something more interactive. Yeah, like that about the research of summary. And then next is argument analysis. So And the argument analysis, all studies confirm crossword puzzle effectively supports vocabulary learning. And then quantitative data shows score improvement like qualitative data highlight emotional and social engagement. And the combination of methods strengthen the argument for their educational value. Okay, so from the analysis of argument, I will explain more about this. Yeah. So when all studies agree that crossword puzzle are truly a powerful tool for helping to teach vocabulary. Yeah, the studies above explain the real statistical increase in vocabulary and the positive response from students. Yeah, this is further reinforced by quantitative data finding that show a significant increase in vocabulary mastery in student satisfaction. This is complemented by qualitative insight into student emotional and mental engagement. So study explain the role of the game in building motivation and encouraging cooperation while learning. So in short, the first two studies focus on a result that could be measured through tests and questionnaires. Question questionnaires, yeah. While the third study delved deeper into the psychological and social aspect of student. Okay, and the combination of quantitative and qualitative methods reinforce the main argument, namely that crossword puzzles are not only effective in increasing vocabulary, but also enrich the overall learning experience. These studies also highlight that this game is easily adaptable to different age groups, skill level, and learning objectives, I mean. Okay, so that's all from the argument analysis. So next we're going to the evaluation. So in the evaluation, crossword puzzle engage both cognitive and emotional aspect of learning and consistent improvement in vocabulary and student enthusiasm and support the shift towards game-based learning and suitable for diverse age group and learning style. So overall, all of the studies or reviews show that crossword puzzle are a valuable medium for vocabulary learning. This game involves like both thinking and feeling in the language acquisition process, and the result of the studies continue to show a steady increase in vocabulary scores and student enthusiasm because they are easy, flexible, and interesting. Crossword puzzles are ideal for use in the classroom. So in addition, their ability to encourage cooperation and eliminate anxiety also plays a major role in creating an effective learning atmosphere. These results fully support the major shift in the world of education towards game-based learning. Therefore, crossword puzzle deserve to be integrated into the vocabulary teaching and learning process. Like that. And lastly is conclusion and recommendation or judgment. So the crossword puzzle are highly beneficial for vocabulary acquisition. And the second, teachers are encouraged to integrate them into lesson plans. And then digital versions should be developed to increase accessibility and impact. So, based on the evidence, I am convinced that crossword puzzles are truly beneficial for vocabulary acquisition. This is because the game combines fun and intellectual challenges and to be motivating students and encouraging their participation. Teachers are strongly encouraged to consider incorporating crossword puzzles into their curriculum or lesson plans to strengthen student vocabulary retention and enhance classroom retention. I mean interaction. While traditional methods might still be useful, but crossword puzzle offer a refreshing alternative that align with students' interests and learning style. And I personally recommended further exploration of digital version to expand accessibility and impact. While traditional methods are still useful, crossword puzzle offer a fresher alternative that align with student interests and learning style in today world. And I personally strongly recommended developing a digital version of this game to make it more accessible and broaden its impact. Yep. Okay, and that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.